dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, hold me till I scream, forever breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby,
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with Beauty Forever hair. They went ahead and sent me this 150 density 13x4 transparent lace wig, and it is looking like this in 20 inches. So far so good. I love the install. Didn't do baby hairs this time around. I just wanted something different, but as for right now, it's just giving waves. So if you are, you know, on the more professional side and you want to wear wigs, or you've never tried a wig before, this is definitely something that you can purchase to try out to see if you like wigs. And I definitely feel like this unit is not super duper full at all. It is very much on the fine slash full-ish side. And yeah, so if you'd like to see how I did my quick and easy glueless install, don't forget to check the links in the description box for this unit. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
Deep
Yeah. Shorty, I know what you need. I got everything you need. I promise I ain't gonna hold out, nigga. I'm gonna give it all to you, baby. Swear to God.
Okay babes, so I am finally finished and this is the finished look. This wig is from Beauty Forever Hair. They sent me a 13x4 transparent lace wig in body wave. It is 20 inches and it is 150 density. Because of the density, this wig is not super thick at the ends. It is definitely just on the fine to full-ish side of things. So if you're looking to just get a wig that you probably want to cut into a bob, or a wig that you probably do some like shoulder length curls on and cut it, then this is definitely the perfect wig for you. I feel like I'm gonna definitely just go ahead and snip it up because like the ends are not like the best thing right now. It's just giving waves. Like that's what kind of wig this is, a wig for just some loose waves that you want to throw in your hair. You know, if you're going for a more professional look than like a super wiggy look, then this is probably a wig for you. And if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babe.